Hi, my beautiful subscribers. How are you? My name is Mas and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. I just wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you joining my channel. Your support means the world to me and I am so glad you are a part of this community. Thank you again for subscribing, watching and engaging with my content. Your enthusiasm and encouragement drive me to create more and better content for you, and I am honored to have the opportunity to share my passion with you. Here is to many more exciting videos, fashion moments and inspiration conversations together. Thank you again for being an integral part of my channel. So let's start this video. My dear subscribers, as you know, we upload daily basis videos. In my videos, plus size women and all type fashion in this video. You can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. Each dresses featured in this video is not only trendy but also designed to flatter your curves and keep you comfortable. We will provide you with styling tips and suggestions on how to accessorize these outfits to make them uniquely yours. So stay tuned for some fashion inspiration and ideas on how to look your best in this season. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident. Regardless of your size, embrace your beauty and let these dresses help you just do that. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and feel free to leave any question or comment down below. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, in this video we will take you through the range of stunning dresses. We will provide you with styling tips, outfit ideas and even sizing guidance to make your season wardrobe choice easier.